Previously on the Gadget Inspector channel.
Full pitch. Nice. That's beautiful. I'm digging the camera. Okay, let's do some maneuvers. Let's check the stabilization. So we're going right, left, left. Oh yeah. That's good gimbal action, you guys. Not doing a very good job of tracking. And again, I'm not seeing the drone move at all. It's keeping me in frame, but it's not following me. I'm getting further and further away, and the drone is staying right where it is. Okay, so we're back out here with the Ruko GIM2. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can test out these automated features. So let's get into it, y'all. Thanks for joining me. Okay, we're gonna get right to it, you guys. Let's get the motors unlocked. And let's do an auto takeoff. Really stable drone. I was really impressed by the first couple flights that I had with it. So this time we'll test out some other features. We got a beautiful day here, so I'll also fly it around here and get some footage so you can kind of see. It was a little bit drab, I think, on the day that we were out before. No, maybe it wasn't so drab, but I think we got more blue in the sky this time. But anyway, let's get to these features. I'm going to start the video camera. We are filming. Let's see, where are our features? There we go. Okay, we're going to do a GPS follow. GPS phone signal too weak. That happened to me last time. So I really couldn't get it to work last time. Let's see if it'll work now. Wait for a minute or change another place. Yeah, guess it doesn't like the location. Okay, that's too bad. Okay, there we go. I think it's trying to lock onto me. There we go. There we go. It's following. Let's give it some altitude. I'm gonna take it back some as well. And let's pan the camera down. If I can remember how to do that. There we go. Okay. So let's go to walking. Okay, that seems to be working. Let's turn around and walk towards the drone now. See what it does. It's not keeping up with me too well, but I can adjust the camera. Okay. Pretty good. Wow. Okay, looks like the feed froze up here. Oh, it's back. Good, good. You know what? I'm gonna put this in airplane mode just to give it the best shot. All right, looks like that follow me works. Ground is a little bit soggy here, but we're doing this for science, so sometimes you gotta get a little dirty for science. That works, you guys. Okay, that works. That works. So it must be using the position of the phone to actually follow. So let's go back in. Let's do image follow this time. And I'm going to bring the drone around so it's not facing the sun. Doing my own manual orbit there. All right, and we're gonna draw a box. There's our box. Let me do a little better. Whoops. Whoa. It's trying to move pretty quick. Let's do that box one more time. There we go. That's what I want. All right, now let's try this. Plenty bright today. Last time I tried it, it was a little bit cloudy, and the sun was going down a little bit, so it wasn't able to lock onto me, but it definitely is now. Wow, that's impressive, you guys. So I'm used to flying the more advanced drones, the drone manufacturers that have been around a while, like the Parrots and DJIs of the world. Looks like it just stays in one position when you're in image follow. But yeah, this is performing just as well, and if not better, dare I say, than those drone products do as well. Yes, sir. Doing very well. Okay, you see it with your own two eyes. It's locking on, and it is not losing me, has not lost me yet. Okay, that works. Boy, we're 2 for 2 here. All right, let's see what else we have here. Music, we're gonna skip that. VR, we're gonna skip that. Lens angle, what is that? Do we know what lens angle is? Not sure. I will put up on the screen, or maybe do a parenthetical insertion here in the video to explain what the heck that even is. Okay, gesture photo. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. Not something I don't think I would ever use, but someone out there may, and it is a feature of the drone, so for the sake of being thorough, let's test it out. So we're gonna put up a peace sign. Maybe we're not close enough. Are we in the frame? Oh, I wonder if I have to stop recording. So I'm gonna stop recording, and let's try this again. Hey, there we go. All right, that worked. And then it pauses and gives you enough time to put your hand down so you're not standing there with a stupid peace sign. Let's try it again. It's not. Okay, there you go. You feel it vibrate. You feel the phone vibrate once it recognizes it, and then the countdown starts. Let me fix my clothes. Jeez, I look a mess here. All right, all right. You can also use gesture. Not sure what happened there, but I did not put up a peace sign. You can also start video recording using gestures by using your palm. So let's try that now. Palm up, there we go, and it started right away. That worked right away. Okay, now again, not sure that this is something that I would use, but it works so far. Everything that this drone has in terms of special features or automated features is working. That is great, because a lot of times that is not the case with these drones. Some of these drones that you find on Amazon. Okay, route rules. Okay, so this is waypoints. Let's do some short waypoints here. We'll just do, let me zoom in here. Sometimes you can, if you're not careful, you can do a super wide range without realizing it. And then let's come on back. All right, we're gonna hit go. I'm gonna take it up, give it some altitude here so we can clear any obstacles. And then let's start it. And it's doing the waypoint. Now I wonder if, oh no, it turns on its own. Yep, so it turns in the direction that it's flying. Wow, guys, this drone is performing very, very well. And the reason why there's a little bit of surprise in my voice is because, once again, you know, I get companies reach out to me. Sometimes they're kind of off brands to review drones, and a lot of times they're disappointing in one way or another, or just all together. I haven't been disappointed by this drone yet. So that's pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, I think we tested that out. All right, well, we've tested all of those things. Let's fly it around a little bit. Let's fly the drone around a little bit. We're filming here. I'm gonna actually stop the video there just to kind of get a nice cut off. And let's take a look around here. We are at 70 feet. I'm gonna take it up a little higher. Okay, we'll go up about 100 feet. How about that? We got Reed's Lake off there in the distance. Let's go ahead and fly forward a little bit. And paying attention to the stability of the footage as well. And quality of the video feed. We're out about 400 feet and it is getting a little choppy there, as you can see. But looks like the feed is pretty clear once it does come back. See if I can bring that camera back up. So the tilting of the camera is not really smooth. There's a little bit of a delay. I think I'm not sure if you can change that or adjust that in the app settings there. But so I'm turning the drone now, and there's a little bit of a delay there with the feed. So definitely some reception issues there, but coming on back. So that's full stick ahead. And we are in the high speed, I think, right now. Okay, let off the sticks. Did see a little movement there on the screen. Let's see if I can change the speed. See if I can remember how to do that. I think it was this button. Yep. So I just switched it to sports mode. Let's go ahead and see how it performs in sport mode. See what kind of performance we can get out of it in sports mode. Is it really sporty? Okay, I see the horizon tilting a little bit there, which is sometimes the case when you go up to the higher rates of speed. So 29 feet per second, 29.9. Let's come back this way, and I'm gonna actually bring it down. Looks like you can get pretty decent footage out of this drone, but we'll check it out in more detail when we get back to the office. And but the colors look pretty good. We are in early spring here, so everything is still a little bit muted in terms of the colors. Things haven't greened up yet. Trees are still bare, but we got a nice sunny day here with blue skies. So let's see what we can do. And I'm gonna just see what kind of speed we've got here. Not super fast. But hey man, I am impressed with this drone, and the reason why I'm impressed is because it does what it has been advertised to do. And that's all you can ask for. It shouldn't do less than what it has been advertised to do. And this one does what it says it's supposed to do. I appreciate that. I can appreciate that. All right, let's fly it around a little more. And that's really all I wanted to do today, is to come out here and check those automated features or special features. And we were able to do that successfully. I'd say every one of those things performed the way it's supposed to. The drone is stable. There's no toilet bowling. It's not erratic in any way. There's really not much in terms of cons or negative things I can say about this drone. But I will go back over the footage and sit down and kind of think through what I've experienced with it, and then I'll give you my thoughts. All right, thank you so much for sticking with me, you guys. I really do appreciate it.
So, I really dig this drone. I can definitely recommend it in all good conscience. Now, a couple guys that watched part 1 pointed out that this is actually a rebrand of the SJRC F11, which apparently was released several years ago. With that said, I think the pricing of this drone may be on the high side considering all of the similarly priced options out there, namely DJI drones. Now, I've seen it listed as low as $359 up to $619 depending on the bundle configuration. They always have some kind of coupon, so last time I checked, the one going for $359 is down to $299 with the coupon, and the bundle I have with the case and 2 batteries, which is regularly $459, is down to $379 with the coupon. They probably should just go ahead and list them with the coupon already applied. But yeah, I took a really thorough look at this drone and it performs as advertised, and surprisingly, the automated features actually work. And the image follow me is a true subject tracking where you draw a box around the subject, but the drone remains stationary while keeping the subject in the center of the frame. I'm actually a little torn with the image quality. To me, it looks really crisp and clear until you view it on a larger monitor. Then you notice a lot of grain. But I'm curious what you guys think about that. Chime in down below in the comments if you would. Alright, I'm done. This was fun. Stay tuned because I have a backlog of drone reviews to clear, so I have several more coming. Like and subscribe if you dig what I'm doing, and until we meet again, be good to somebody, be good to yourself. Later.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day.